I'm seeing visions through my dreams, seeing myself swimming in the universe. My ancestors gave me gifts to read cards, predict and heal. My name is Daphne, but spirit calls me bye-bye love. Angels communicate through numbers. Intuition is so deep. The gift I fully embrace within.
Hi everyone! Welcome po sa inyong Almost Personal Readings. Let's check kung ano ba ang nangyayari at pwede pang mangyari sa inyong relationship. So I want you to know that this is a general reading. You may resonate po sa buong reading na ito or baka konti lang, take what's only yours. And I want you to know that this is also a timeless reading, no? Which means kung kailan nyo napanood itong reading na ito, the reading is meant to find you. So let's begin. 8 of Coins. So we're working on, and we should be working on. Pero bakit parang feeling natin nakakatamad, tinamad tayo, nawalan tayo ng gana? With the 7 of Swords. Yan. I totally understand bakit ganun yung iyong pananaw ngayon, no? Eh sino ba naman gaganahan kung ikaw ay nakikita mong tinatarantado, no? Nakikita mong dinidisrespect. So, that makes sense, no? Itong card na to. Actually, at first, kung ako man yun na dito sa sitwasyon, ginagawa kita ng tama, minamahal kita ng tama, no? Pero, ang sukli nito, panggagago, no? Panlalait. Ang sukli nito ay meron pa akong mga naririnig na meron kang nilalandig iba. So, kahit sinong matinong tao, kahit sinong mabait, no, nasagad, kahit sinong hindi naman ako santo, no, or hindi ako santa, meron din hangganan ang aking pasensya. So that makes sense with a Hierophant. Pero deep inside, of course, hinihiling din natin, no, na sana ayusin naman ni person itong relasyon. Sana magkaroon ng matinong thinking ba, no, si person na itong relasyon na ito ay seryoso at seryosohin niya talaga. Humingi man lang ng tawad, no? Matutong humingi ng tawad. Yun actually is one of the biggest one of the thing, no, na pwedeng iregalo niya na sa atin. Kasi parang ang nangyayari dito, tangging kamatayan, no? Parang caught in the act, red-handed. Doon pa siya siya pagalit, no? Ang dami niya pang excuses. So parang ginagawa mo ba akong tanga, no? Ginagawa mo ba akong siraulo, gago, no? With the 3 of Wands, probably medyo dumistansya tayo dito. Whether this is physical, literal, lumayo tayo, or energetic, tumahimik tayo. For a few numbers of you, siguro talagang this person is a total stranger, no, before. You don't have any backgrounds of this person. Hindi mo siya kalaro, hindi mo siya kababata, no? You're a total stranger when you met. For a few numbers of you, baka pwedeng iisa kayo ng probinsya or magkaiba ng probinsya or pwedeng iba ang region, no? Pero a total stranger. with the Princess of Swords. Yung heart and mind mo, nakikita natin dito, aligned naman siya. What your heart wants is to be committed with the person and for your person to be committed to you. Yun din yung sinasabi ng crown chakra mo, no, or ng headspace. So parang you are in line with with this commitment and you're in line with the relationship already, no? Clarify nga muna natin tong 3 of Wands, the 6 of Coins, and the 9 of Wands. Totoo ba? Hindi mo siya masyadong gusto dati? Parang kinulit ka lang nito, see? Nananahimik ka pa, no? I mean, nananahimik ka dati. Hindi mo na, ang tinutino ng buhay mo dati, kinulit ka, ginulo ka, tapos hindi, parang ngayon, parang, bakit ayaw mong panindigan, ano? Nawala na ba tong bayad mo, no? Nawala na ba itong matres mo, no? Kumbaga, sana, kung alam mo palang mananarantado ka, sana hindi ako, no? Sana kumuha ka dyan ng pokpok, no? Ng pakboy. Kumbaga, yun naman, yung mga ganon, di ba? For games. Hindi naman ako ganon, di ba? With the Ace of Cups. So, nandito pa rin naman yung love. It just so happens, siguro nakatulog lang ng bahagya. I don't know if this is just a pace. Pero subukan natin tignan, no? With the 8 of Swords. Bakit parang nakikita natin dito? Kasi in the not so distant future, the emotion will be shown. Kaso, paano mangyayari yon? 8 of Swords. Parang feeling nila ikaw nagtatago ka rin ng sekreto. I think kailangan dito ng communication between you and your person. Kasi ang thinking ni person, you're also trying to hide something. It could be from the past. It could be on the now. Baka feeling nila meron ka rin mga kausap na iba. I think that yung transparency kailangan i-implement dito sa relationship na ito. 4 of Coins and the Fool card. For a few numbers of you, baka either feeling nila nagsisinungaling ka sa edad mo, feeling nila nagsisinungaling ka sa meron ka ng anak, feeling nila meron kang tinatagong kakaibang ugali. So, of all these, it could be years, it could be months, it could be weeks. They are still uncertain, no? Baka kasi sobrang misteryoso din naman ng iyong atake at ganun ang kanilang perception of you. Kaya parang sabi nila, siguro, no, na dito, na kaya siguro din ito nanlalamig or kaya kumuha ng iba. Parang feeling ko may tinuturo siyang ikaw ang nauna. It can be on their perception or parang feeling nila ay pa-victim. Ikaw daw ang pa-victim. The Death card. Bakit ganito itong relationship na ito? It felt like this is already a toxic relationship. Pero it keeps on coming back. Ganun ba yon? Dahil ba sa... It could be that this relationship is also bawal. It can also be that this relationship is sobrang match kayo. Even the toxicity is a match. With the Queen of Cups. Ang ayaw mo dito is yung ako lang yung nagmamahal. Gusto mo is ma-experience din itong pagmamahal ni person or maibalik, no? What you're fearing in here is ma-realize mo in the end na ako lang pala ang nag-work dito sa relationship na to. With the King of Wands. I think that your person here, whether this is you or your person, it requires a brutally honest communication. No? Siguro, along the way, itong relationship na ito, medyo nawala, no? Yung clear communication, siguro may tinamad na rin yung isa, ginaya ang attitude no nung kabila. So nawala yung line of communication. Nagkaroon na rin ng walls in between parties. So parang what's the sense of connecting with someone kung parehas kayong not trusting their partner, pero you want each other's companion. Ang gulo, di ba? So paano nyo to aayusin? Trust in communications. But I think that the communications in here should start from someone, of course. So I don't know if that is you, if it's them, but it's much better to, kung sino yung nanonood sa akin, no, ngayon, siya na yung mag-start ng conversation, ng honest conversation. Because I feel like nagayahan na rin, no? So kung ganito ginagawa mo, ito din gagawin ko. For some reason, nagtotoxican na kayo, no? If you have some questions with this reading, meron po dyan ang link sa description box. Click the link. You will be routed to my website. Nandun po yung name, number, QR code, amount per question. Take advantage of the 4 questions plus 1 kasi discounted na po yun. And if you want to book a private reading, nandun din po siya. Now, let's check the zodiac sign of your person. This can be their sun sign or a placement in their chart. I am seeing Leo, Scorpio, Pisces, Aries, Taurus, Sagittarius, Virgo, Capricorn. I am seeing, did I just mention Leo, Sagittarius? Yes. Aries is also here. Yan. Or Ace of Cups, nandito din. So, did I mention Pisces? So, it's here. And Cancer. This is your reading. Love and light. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na readings. Goodbye.